Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. Rising tensions in the Middle East could potentially impact the Caribbean, including Jamaica. Planning Institute of Jamaica President Dr. Wayne Henry outlined some of the possible implications during the PIOJ's recent quarterly review of the economy.
1. Supply-side challenges due to disruptions to oil distribution in the Gulf, resulting in a hike in oil prices. This is likely to cascade into increased prices for other items such as industrial and agriculture commodities. And 2, trade disruptions. The combination of higher energy costs, disruptions to logistics, and generally lower confidence levels may result in a drag on global trade.
He says the impact will depend on how the conflict unfolds. The PIOJ says it continues to monitor developments closely as the situation unfolds. And a tropical battery is stabilizing after last year's accounting reset, with the company swinging from a $102.9 million loss in the prior year to a $51.7 million profit in the first quarter of its 2026 financial year. The improvement comes after the company last year restated prior financial statements following the discovery of accounting irregularities, which prompted a review of its financial reporting and internal controls. According to the company's recently published first quarter results, the profits improved as stronger margins and better cost management boosted operating performance during the period. Revenue for the quarter also improved by 6.2% to $1.63 billion, while gross profit climbed nearly 40%. Management says the results also reflect improvements in governance, financial oversight, and operational discipline, including tighter cost controls and stronger working capital management. The company says it continues to focus on strengthening operations while expanding its renewable energy and energy storage business through projects being developed by its subsidiary Kaya Energy Group. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.